And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this gorgeous 24-inch Jerry curly unit. This hair was sent to me by Julia Hair and it came in this box right here. This is their 24-inch Jerry curly unit in the density of 180%, and this lace frontal wig is a 13x4 parting space unit. So I'm also going to be showing you how I finessed my baby hairs as well. My baby hairs are looking, you guys. So I also went ahead to dye this hair jet black using my lovely black hair dye. This wig is definitely gorgeous, you guys, and the length on this unit is everything. It's a must-have curly wig for vacation. The length on this wig is like everything, you guys. So far so good. The lace was super soft and I'm definitely loving it. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this gorgeous unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the installation process. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Julia Hair. They sent me over their 24-inch Jerry curly unit. Inside of the box along with the wig I received some goodies, some eyelashes, this bandana, pair of stocking cap, and some hair clips. So a bit about this wig. This is their 24-inch Jerry curly wig in the density of 180%, and this is a 13x4 lace unit. It has two combs behind of the lace, one to the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps as well. This hair also came pre-plucked, as you guys can see, but I went in a little bit more to pluck it, and I also dyed this hair using my lovely dye in the shade jet black. So let's jump right into the wig installation process. I'm going to be taking this palette and I'm just going to be using this shade and I'm just going to be tinting the lace. So after I finish tinting the lace with my Black Radiance True Contour palette, I'm going in with my blow dryer just to set that after I finish applying my Got to Be Blast Free Spray. So I'm just adjusting the adjustable straps to the back before I apply the wig, and I'm just going to cut down the lace to the front portion. And then I'm going to be working on cutting the lace around my ear tabs area. So I'm just going to work on cutting off the extra lace around my ear area. I'm just using my shears to cut that off. And when I'm done cutting that off, I went in to cut down the lace into 4 smaller sections. And then I'm just going to be taking my rubbing alcohol to clean off any sort of extra makeup to the front portion before I begin the installation process. So the glue that I'm going to be using today is my Bold Hold active glue, and I'm just going to be doing probably 3 layers of this glue. I did end up doing 2 layers of this glue, so I'm just applying the first layer. I'm blending that out with the end of my razor comb, and then I'm just gonna go in to blow dry that until everything is tacky, and then I'm going in with my second layer. So once the first layer is dried, I'm going in with a second layer. So now I'm just going in with my second layer of my Bold Hold active glue, and I'm just going to blend that out with the end of my razor comb, and then I'm going in with my blow dryer just to make sure that the glue is tacky before I begin to push the lace into the glue. So I'm just going to continue to push the lace into the glue using my comb back and forth. And I also take my fingers just to push that in slightly as well. And then I'm just going to be taking my blow dryer along with my comb just to continue to melt everything in place. So if certain areas didn't get any glue, I'm just going back in with the end of my rat tail comb just to put the glue there. And then I'm going in with my Got to Be Blast Free Spray just to set everything. And then I went over that with my blow dryer. And now I'm just going to tie down my hair with my elastic band so that the lace can melt a little bit more. So I'm just gonna be working on my parting space. So now I'm just gonna be taking my Iso Plus hair sheen just to spray the top portion of my hair, and then I'm going in with my Black Murray's Australian beeswax. I'm using this as a substitute for my wax stick, so I'm going over that with my thermal hot comb just to lay the top portion of this wig. And to set everything, I'm using my Got To Be Blast Free Spray and go in with my blow dryer. So now after the lace has been melted, I'm just gonna take off my elastic band just to cut off the extra lace to the front portion. So to cut off the extra lace, I'm going to be using my cuticle scissors, and I'm just gonna cut the lace off in a jagged motion until all the lace is cut off. So I'm just going to work on that. And then after I finish cutting off the lace, I'm just gonna set the front portion with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray so that it can melt a little bit more into my skin. And then I go back in with my blow dryer, and I'm just going to melt the lace again by tying down my hair with my elastic band so that it could set a bit more. So in the meanwhile, while my lace is melting, I'm going in with my VO5 conditioner along with some water just to damp my hair a little bit more. And then I'm going to take my Shea Miracle Bouncy Curl Pudding just to put that on the end of the wig so that the curls could be more defined. So now it's time for me to work on my parting space area, and after I finish parting out the hair in the direction I want it to lay, I'm just gonna be working on doing my edges. So I'm just gonna be doing a minimalistic amount of baby hairs today. So I'm just gonna be taking my Got To Be Ultra Glued to lay my baby hairs today. So I'm just using a little bit of that, and I'm just going to swoop that in the direction I want them to go with my edge brush, and I go back and forth with my shears. And then to set everything in place, I go in with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray, and I'm just gonna swoop that in the direction I want it to go until I'm satisfied with how my edges are laid. And then after that, I'm just going to set everything with my blow dryer. So I'm just going to continue to finesse my baby hairs to how I want them to go. So I'm just going to be doing the little swoopy effect. I'm just going to be doing that with the end of my rat tail comb. So I'm just going to work on that, and once I have it to the way I want it, I'm just going to set that with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray, and then I'm just going to work on my sideburns after, and I'm just going to swoop that in the direction I want it to go. So once everything is done, I'm just setting that again, and then I go over that with my blow dryer, and it's time for me to work on the right side. So I'm just gonna continue to repeat the same process as I did on the left. So once I'm completed finessing my edges, I'm just gonna set everything together with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray again and blow dry that. And it's time for me to finesse the parting space on this wig. This wig is a 180% density, so you guys, this hair is thick. So now I'm just gonna be working on laying the top portion of this wig. I'm going to be finessing the parting space with my Black Radiance True Contour palette, and then after I finish doing that, again I'm going to set everything, and then I'm going in with my Iso Plus hairspray just to give the wig a bit of shine, you guys. And then I am now going to continue to define the curls on the wig a little bit more using my Bouncy Curl Pudding from Shea Miracle. And I go in with my Iso Plus hairspray again just to set the top portion of this wig. And I'm just taking my thermal hot comb just to finish up the look all together. So that concludes the installation process of my 24-inch deep Jerry Curly wig from Julia Hair, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So you guys, this is the end result of my 24-inch Jerry Curly wig install. This unit is 24 inches and it's a curly unit, you guys. So a bit about this wig. This is the Julia Curly 13x4 lace frontal human hair wig, and it came pre-plucked, and it says to be the best Brazilian human hair wigs for women of color. And I got this wig in 24 inches, you guys, and it's a Swiss lace in medium brown color, and they have 150% and 180. I have the 180%, and this wig retails for $317 on their hair site. So the shortest length they have is 14 inches and the longest length they have is 24 inches. The length on this unit is super gorgeous, you guys. So it's definitely a must-have wig. Like, the curls on this wig is everything, you guys. Like, this unit is super gorgeous and it's definitely a must-have. So you can't go wrong with this unit. It's a bit on the expensive side, but for the length and the texture of the hair and everything, like the lace, and they're having a sale for Black Friday, so you can take advantage of that sale to get you some money off of your next purchase. This wig is definitely giving what it needs to be giving, and I'm definitely a huge fan of this wig, you guys. Like, so far so good. The curl is bomb, the length is bomb, everything on this unit is bomb, you guys. So that's my initial first review after installing this wig. Minimal to little shredding, and the hair is super soft, like super soft. After I went ahead to dye it, it's still really soft, you guys. So I would highly recommend this Jerry Curly unit from Julia Hair. So thank you so much for watching this installation tutorial. So thank you again for watching, and until next time, see you in my next video. And always remember to put God first in everything that you do. See you in my next one, and stay safe. God bless.